good, man? We back with another banger, man. Look outside, bro. Today, you can't even see my license plate. Today, man. Oh, I ain't closed my door. Today, man, we got a banger POV drive. It's so loud, bro. As y'all can see, it's really cold outside, bro. 32 degrees on the cooling temp, and then the oil temp is 27 degrees. So obviously we're gonna have to let that heat up. But man, today's video is gonna be Dodge Charger RT versus Blizzard, my nigga, versus Snowstorm, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, so we about to try to back out the driveway. As y'all can see, the cooling temp is at 104. Which is good enough for me. We about to try to back out the driveway. This is what it looked like behind me, bro. So y'all think I can make it, bro? I don't know. We really about to find out, like right now. But it's crazy because it's not even just like snow, bro. It's all ice. Yeah, this bitch gonna be sliding, bro. I can tell. I can see it right now. I think I'll be good getting out the driveway though. Hey, I'm green. Yeah. I'm green, but that shit was easy as hell, boy. This is a V8 engine, bro. This is a Hemi powered V8 engine. Oh shit, look, this bitch sliding already. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, this bitch sliding. Bro, I can't go down the street. Bro, I cannot make it down the street, bro. What the fuck? Hello. Bro, I can't go down the street. Hold on, okay. It's like, this shit all ice. Like, I don't know if y'all could really tell. But this shit, like, it's all ice, bro. Dog, like, this shit sliding like a motherfucker. Hold on. Make sure my brakes at least G. Hold on, I'm about to slide this corner for you. I'm about to slide this corner. Nigga don't even need traction to slide the corners and shit. Oh! Yeah. I'm getting bendy out here. But I think the main road's not even that bad though, so. You know what I'm saying? We gonna be straight when we get to like the main road. It's really just the side streets. But this shit crazy, man. It's that Michigan shit, bro. And y'all see it's 12 degrees right now. Like next week it's supposed to be like 40 something. Like that shit actually crazy, ain't it? But if you, I don't know, bro. That Michigan shit, I don't know. That shit weird as hell. Been this corner. Oh, bendy. I was a car right here. I was finna, man. Cause this nigga lucky as hell. I was finna slide the shit out of this corner too. But nah, bro, I'm actually about to go to the gas station first. Well, I don't even know. I ain't finna get gas. I gotta get some. Bendy! Bendy! Oh, shit. Nigga getting bendy in the corner. Oh, shit, hey. Nah, this shit fun, though, bro. I've been really waiting to get some little snow so I could do this video. You know, it's crazy. I wasn't even finna do this video, but I thought about it like, bro, that'd be a missed opportunity right there, like, for a real banger-ass vid. Like, no cap. Like, but y'all can see, like, this is Main Street right here. Like, that bitch don't got no snow in there for real, so we gonna be green, like, after that. It's just really just the side streets. I'm gonna make sure ain't no cars coming, man. There's one car coming, but we be out here. So yeah, we green as hell, bro. Told y'all, man. V8s versus Blizzards, my nigga. Now, I kind of, like, I'm glad this street not, like, as bad, but it is a little icy, though, you know what I'm saying? So we ain't gonna, definitely not gonna do too much. definitely not gonna do too much, my nigga. Cause we don't wanna ball this shit up. Oh, we finna go to this gas station right here though, bro. We about to go in this gas station, man. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all as soon as I come out. This bitch look good, don't it, man? Look, SRT bump. Rims coming soon. Next vid. Video after y'all, like, video after this one, I will have rims. I got Hellcat rips, 22s now. Get your rule out. What they say? Get your rule out. They got 22. I was just talking shit, but no, next vid though, we definitely will have some 22s on this bitch. So don't trip. Not trip on the rims, my nigga. Alright. We gotta make it out of this bitch alive. Yeah, this bitch still sliding, gang. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Versus Blizzard, man. Subscribe, bro. Right now, bro. First red light of the video. Subscribe, my nigga. Everybody, if you don't subscribe, you're gonna have bad luck all 2024. If you don't subscribe, your V8 will not make it through the snow. And if you got a V6, that's it right there. I don't even gotta say nothing else. I'm just talking. I don't know why niggas be hating on V6s, bro. Like, ain't nothing wrong with no V6, cuz. Hey, I had a V6 on, bro. I had a V6. Definitely gotta start somewhere, like, no cap. Definitely gotta start somewhere. I feel like V6 is a good entry, like, it's a good entryway to, like, you know what I'm saying, getting to learn about cars, bro. Like, getting used to driving, like, you know what I'm saying, real shit. And you gotta think, bro, my nigga, if you got a V6, right, and you put an intake on that bitch, you gonna be faster than the average vehicle, bro. You gonna be faster than the average car. So you good. Like, it ain't like this nigga squaring all water on my shit. Pause. But no, you gonna be faster than the average like car on the road, my nigga. So you good. You know what I'm saying? Just throw a little intake on there. What else? Shit, intake. People be saying throttle body, but I think like you really only need a throttle body if you run that like boost and shit. So you should probably be good in that aspect. But little intake, you straight. Definitely gotta hit this corner. Alright, y'all see this side? Got hella ice on it. I'm not going to that bitch, bro. Why my window, bro? My wiper's not working. Oh yeah, this street got hella icy, y'all. Bro, the wiper's making that shit worse. What's wrong with my wipers? This street got hella ice on it though, y'all boys, so. Hey, chill out. Yeah, I'm gonna be smooth, buddy. I think it's best if I just be smooth. Hey, that's one of them, the ride silent for the rest of the ride. My exhaust just popped, damn. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be smooth for sure. Let me just roll my window down just a little bit. It's hella windy outside though, so y'all not gonna be able to hear it over the wind like that. Damn, cuz. I really just I'll be tripping. I gotta chill, dog. It just be like, damn, bro. I just rolled the window up, bro. You can't down there, can't hear shit. They're gonna charge it right there. Wow, I think that's a V6 though, low key. Yeah, I think that's a V6. And I'm not the type of nigga to bully V6s and things of that nature. I would like switch lanes type shit and get, yeah, fuck it. We out. I think, I don't know though, it might not, cause it might just be bad. I just said it's a V6 cause like the bumper and shit, like the back bumper. Yeah, that's a good in there. Yeah, it's probably a V6, honestly. But that bitch look good though, bro. That bitch look good. Yeah, it got like V6 body and shit. It look good though. No cap. Like I said, bro, there ain't nothing. Like y'all see that bitch. There ain't nothing wrong with no V6 though, bro. You good. Also, it's a girl. Like she probably don't give a fuck. She probably don't give two fucks. Probably don't know what that shit is, bro. So I feel it though. That bitch look rough though. I don't know though, bro. I really don't think we gonna get no more like crazy ice slide and shit. Cause nigga, like you know when you do some shit and then low key like I know what I'm doing obviously. Like I obviously know you know what I'm saying, sliding on purpose and shit like that. But like you know when you do this shit and you actually do it, you like what the fuck? I don't know. It don't need, to be honest, my car, it don't even feel like my car like this shit. Like, my car is not fucking with this shit. Like, my car is not fucking with this shit, gang. Like, I don't know, bro. I'm tripping, low-key. But I definitely, you know what I'm saying? I'm straight, though, bro. I really know what I'm doing type shit. Like, I'll be alright. Real shit, bro. If you from Michigan or like be in Michigan for real, bro, like you know how to drive in this shit. Like, bro, nigga, it was worse last night. I was gonna record it last night, but I had to lock in on, bro. I had to lock in. It wasn't none of that playing around, sliding around shit. Hell no. Nigga had to lock in for sure last night. This shit was crazy. Oh yeah. See, it's not no ice right here. Man, that was a good little pool. I think I'm finna end the video right here, man. So like the video, man, because I really just put my life on the line for y'all, man. Subscribe if you want to know if your VA can make it through a blizzard. Yes it can, my nigga. Like, comment, subscribe if you new, and I'm out, bro.